everyone, and welcome to our first class of our Espresso Yoga. So, if you want to do a sun salutation or a warm-up before your class, you're welcome to do so. But let's come to the top of the class. Roll your shoulders. We replay the class how many times you want, yeah? So come to the top of your class, and I'll start the chapters here. Well, we only have one chapter. Bend the knees, backs of the hands together. Wave yourself up. Lengthening up. Push your hips forward. Shallow or deep back bend with or without a drop back of the head. Squeeze the front line of your body to lift. Candle arms, hands together. Forearms together. Sink your spine down. Forward fold. Pump your knees here, bend and lengthen. From here, finger pads, slide up your shins, squeeze your armpits in, and push yourself up halfway in our half lift. Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, forward fold. Step or hop back. Plank. All the way down, flat plank. Your hands glide lower to your lower ribs. Squeeze the back, hands up, low cobra. Press your hands down, lift up a little bit more, higher cobra, or upward facing dog if you want this pose. Push yourself back up to plank. Bend the knees and push back. Puppy pose. A few spiral waves here. Don't do the downward facing dog just yet. Just a few spinal waves here. And then if you want to take downward facing dog, heels down, knees straight. From here, right leg curls up, side to belly. Point the knee back up and extend. Left heel lifts up for a high three-legged dog. Wave yourself forward, three-legged plank. Curl your legs through and step. Now, I'm showing you, if you step your foot short of your hand, be kind to yourself and help yourself there. Back heel is lifted up. Adjust your feet wider if you need a bigger base for more stability. We are in a low lunge. Backs of the hands together and wave yourself up. Higher lunge. In a crescent lunge. Lengthening up here, breathe. Bend the elbows, frame the head, engage your back to drift the arms a little bit behind the head, but don't push them there. Use the strength of your back to set your arms. On an exhalation, sink down. Push back up. Notice my knee, it's not going beyond the ankle. Exhale, sink down. Lift up, that's 2. Sink, that's 3. Up, sink, up, and sink. Stay in this low lunge. Release your arms, circle them down, hands down on the mat. Step back. Full plank, looking forward, all the way down, flat plank. Hands by your lower ribs, squeezing up, low cobra, higher cobra, or upward facing dog. Push up, full plank once again, bend the knees and push back. You are welcome at this point to stay in puppy pose or come to downward facing dog if you prefer this pose. Spinal wave. Good. From here, with your left leg, curl your left leg up, point the knee back, up, extend. Right heel lifts up, and wave yourself forward, three-legged plank, curl your legs through, and step. Adjust your feet once again, wider on your mat if you need a bigger base for stability. From here, backs of the hands together and wave up. Back to our high crescent lunge. Frame the head, squeeze the back, frame head, high lunge, and sink. Lift, sink, lift, sink, lift, sink, and stay. Release your arms, circling them out. Crawl your hands down on the mat and step back in our full plank. Now from here, we're doing side planks. I'm opening up to my right side. We're just turning on the balls of the feet, not stacking the legs. Side lunge. You're welcome to bring your bottom leg, bottom shin down. Release back to center, full lunge. Side lunge left, shin down, yeah? Release back to center. Now choose your side lunge. Opening up to the right. Release to the left. Remember, you can bring your shin down, one more per side. Right side or screen side. Release. And the other side. Release. Knees down. Untuck your toes. Push back. Spinal waves down here on the mat. Now, if you want a few minutes in Shavasana, you're welcome to do so. But for our Espresso Yogas, they're not our requirement, because the flow itself should already be relaxing. But of course, if you want a few minutes in Shavasana, you're welcome to do so. Or stand with me, one heart on your heart space, one heart across your abdomen, close your eyes. Have a few breaths here. And when you're done, flutter the eyes open and let's get on with our day.